consider Rizka and your future mother-in-law to be the weakness. Okay, to be the weakness. Could you put your hand like that? Okay. Why you have to put like that? Because I need what you say include in your heart. This one come until your heart. Okay? Repeat after me. No, right hand. Just correct. Okay. Ashhadu alla ilaha illallah illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasul Allah. I declare there is not God but Allah. And I declare.
Tonton video ini selengkapnya di YouTube Serambi On TV dan Facebook serambinews.com.